Hi everyone! I wanted to come here to say a quick hello and give you an update on what I'm filming at this moment. So I'm working on the next course for my membership site, the Introduction to Zen Walking. So what is Zen Walk? It's a little bit different from the Tai Chi Walk, where you need to turn your hips, turn your torso, pivot your leg to move forward. Zen Walking is actually quite basic and is very good for beginners, because the aim is to simply walk slowly, focusing on the proper spine alignment and the movement of your legs and feet. So what I like about it is it's very grounding, because focusing on the sensations and actually kind of shifting from thinking into feeling, we're able to drive the energy down away from the head, get more centered, get more grounded, and actually kind of observe the energy of the earth, which is very similar to earthing, especially if you live in somewhere warm and you have a nice weather, so you can actually practice it bare feet. So I thought I'll give you a little behind the scene of what I've already filmed, and if you're interested, you can go to my website to read a little bit more about this course and hopefully practice it together.